If there's one thing that everybody knows, it's that you can't trust internet influencers. Sure, you have your Mr. Beasts and your Markipliers and even your Moist Criticals, but I'd say that the majority of the content creation space has severe skeletons in the closet. Recently, some drama broke out on Twitter between a few creators, and I wanted to cover it, so that's what we're going to be talking about today. Okay, so I know I haven't posted any form of YouTube content in over half a year. I do have a schedule set up once I get my new job, but I did say I was going to give my opinion on this whole situation. So I figured I'd get back into it and actually put some effort into it and see where it goes. Anyways, I was scrolling through Twitter and it took me 2 fucking finger swipes to find this garbage. I don't know too much about the story because I don't follow Twitch drama that often, but it does make good content, so I might milk it a little bit. To give you a little more information on it, basically, Asmongold made a tweet talking about the Slicker situation. If you didn't know, Slicker was basically stealing borrowed money from people. I don't even know who Slicker is, but basically he was stealing borrowed money from people he was friends with and even his fans at one point. And that was because he had a gambling addiction. And then that whole story blew up, I guess. And then another guy named Trainwreck commented on that Asmongold post that Asmongold and his friends were the ones that platformed Slicker in the first place. And then it gets even deeper after that. Mizkif comments and says that they should have banned Trainwreck too, since he was involved in scamming his audience with a crypto called Joke Coin or whatever. After that was said, Trainwreck fires back to Mizkif asking if he's going to blackmail him, how he did with those girls to cover up all those sexual assault allegations. Of course, that's in quotations or whatever. You may be like, Hydro, surely it doesn't get any worse than this. Oh, but it does. This guy named Ice Poseidon, who from what I understand is centered around drama pretty frequently, chimes in with some crazy Twitter DM screenshots. I'll put those on the screen right here. Of Mizkif saying some homophobic and racist shit back in 2018. And honestly, I scrolled through the comments, searching every single comment for more beef or more major developments to the drama. I will say that everything in this video regarding Mizkif or any other persons in this video is purely speculation at the moment. I don't want no legal teams in my DMs, please. No thank you. Anywho, someone said that since it was so long ago, it's possible he could have changed for the better, and he being Mizkif. And for the most part, other people agree. Personally, I am not the same person I was in 2018, so it is plausible that Mizkif could have changed for the better, but again, I don't know. Mizkif had allegedly said, worst comes to worst, it's sexual harassment at a low scale, which is a pretty disgusting thing to say, if it is true. And I couldn't find any evidence of that whole quote being said by him. I'm going to weigh in on all this and just say that even without the sexual assault allegations, it's looking kind of grim for Mizkif's career. The screenshots don't look edited of him saying F slurs and N slurs, and this whole sexual assault allegation just drives it home. At the end of the day, people can change after saying these kinds of things, but when you throw in allegations of sexual assault, it feels like it's harder to reverse actions rather than words. You know what I'm saying? Do I think he sexually assaulted some girls? No, not yet. I'm going to need some more evidence. People were saying that Mizkif has addressed the things he has said in the past. I couldn't find any instance of him addressing that, but I also didn't look too hard. So at this point, it's just a toss-up. Comment down below what you think of all this and share this video so it reaches more people. Thank you for watching.